Oda for him shall so anya brother that's so over here that Ghana TV. Well, we said that Ghana TV then some pan corner in the braille. Did there be a real character was a subscribe, like, let's share. What you say? Subscribe, like it, not share. Then the bell wow, the new message be a what was that notification bell? Oh, subscribe, you and why you ring it so. Oh, yes, I go to play. It is time video be a better so. Now I'm away away say a video who frab and what full stories I echo so our that kind of TV so. Yes, I ever came from money up on Bobo. Say the now you near Papa ever come on fire. Adia or Baba Yema, whom Afun Nikuna Bema and Tia. Any Papa Bongo, Dingo could do a chichi. Now, man, we don't have no boy about they use so share or more ideas. FISI message in the show. And then you better travel, ever pack a wapa, but then they try to be to me where we are. To a beer will be but more than I say, over Shama or Nonko, now Nonko Sonia behind the Iric. And then we don't teach a Uvia, your Papa and Michael. Share so a year. Talis bar and I saw ya cinema did medicine from Queen Ebrew and Yamicha that Kana Company Limited. Yamicha that Kana Company Limited, I saw ya open dancing near my papa. If you had your son, when you know where we are, I had you walk from scratch to a completion in any kind of dancing near my prominent materials now. If I number, I have that as a friend afraid, then your papa Sudan in now. Nature will make a power here. The middle of Edin common every chess. Oba na kase ma baba ai meje so onho ya bi awo papa ya bi bia boko awo papa ya ni de nyame asi France na meje wase na wo ya duma message no ko kwa je oba iti ma na se o si je wa bi eni Papa, you said the Baya, Litmania, Bema, Papa Natina, and just a woman in Japan, so we can see all the almost a year. So, remember that the most last week near Kamani, Kamani, said the Yamias, Michia, the wife, Mohokani, Papa. Sachi men chiam customs and your man can be ho a jan yamiado me quano blame chop money kakana me I remember Tim says a Savradia or some or more by Nadibia on two or she na almost maybe on lady also I can so chia Ishia so Jumano so fine and I'm Mr. Atta, yeah, the auditor, also the program and the fun. Yeah, we'll be empty because the will be empty. Is a weird tomorrow business. We a businessman who afford the year accounting and I say, oh, business, oh, the piano, who will be on buying and selling, will be on importation, who accountant or auditor, if you are auditing where to man amount, more churches, or money conforms, their cost, or better say, you just music. I say, well, do man so, and just a dumana, oh, yeah, you musica baby. So what must say, you will die, you musica, oh, yeah, duma, your first profit, so our first profit in the influence, second profit in the influence, third profit, and then you touch yourself with the once the first profit in it, first seed. So, second profit in it, another second seed. Third profit, and then the major profit that you say, oh, sack. Because such as what you will be Pimuato and tomorrow be Pimuato, who one who capital here was Abia, be a James Sika, Dabi. So a Dumana, oh, yeah, let's say, who is Catalia, or just say a Dumaya me interest, and now some profit ever, a yahi. Oh, especially in the money you are, we are Duma. What you want, no way, no more than you were free. Oh, Bam Subetia, well, maybe I didn't walk around, maybe a month. Why are you money now? Will profit in 8 million. Will profit to the infant 8 million. Sir, 8 million. Also, what gentleman, a queer about 200, a fiat and Pabua by 100. We also the about 100. Near Ubedi, near Omasubedi, Omako Square. So I can make a while. Yeah, oh, quite solid. Yeah, so or honor is kind. And the just to me auditor. I will do one more church or call your fashion. Now, when you sue Sika, so at my say, and baby, Duma,
sikana omu yusu na omu capital no mudi wo na one so nipa okoye business a etesa otwa so make work what am I say eduma emuhu mo fam okra ne pe a oya ebetumi ama wakoso so what am I say na location baby a ukoye adwuma no baby a ubi adwuma no so nipa wo ho uko be provision as uko be ohure ma eto de wan kasa so ehure wo ha ne koto obi ni wo koto so obi o a wo se mami we attention so anibere ka obi o se ni bia bi abia bi no so bia bi no bia bi area ha ni nipa na bia fo esa wo se obi adwuma wo so abia bi no wo so tenase na hwe na test what I said then na bibie we area mu a mensu meton a ye beto so wonim sa no ma we na so ko bia bi ma wo sika na hia enye bayifuo bi na eye eye wan kasa na mutumi entwehwe wu na wu ade a kire se oye so wo tesi obi ye bi na so ko ye obi a overspending ekunu won bibia ba impulse buying bibia obeto won obi a uton san drink and wadam for abesra si won wonim say drink uton a ebia wo de once no oba na yi coke ba kuma na
just say yeah why you buy 5 6 7
o senti o say a business any madam for business any mu maame business any mu papa yenti America say we business ebia uton sa uton bia ne bia fine ebia ne bia ko twaba njia eba bebi ba ensa ensa titiri mo uton sa omu beye mo uton nsuo omu beye nsuo ye nipa ho ade e nipa ba wetuma mani ba ensa ye obi aba ebia omi wo bia ba kakra bi obi ba no akoyi fanta ba ko no akoyi bia ba ko na de so ebia nan fofo ebia ba let them know say who ye business et you oba he is there or she is there for business purposes so what must say eti enye obi na times a oye obi enye one sometimes overspending ekum
tina ya go so no akwa asore sofo e pa to me ya duma sika to nsama na ahye betumi ko fa nema no be san so ni hu bi sika na je say na bi nya se bia na hu bi na bi
one say one adwuma bia a here spiritual backup foundation just say uhwehwem na foundation ni gina yie e wo fem o set adwuma no hu fem asan we bia adwuma
abano so e ya na mata aka pa na se de wasi aposi sa no kwan be so ko frɛ sɔfo bi no be set spiritual in ma ana se o how you
any pattern say asɔfo nko o se na make sure say ɛsono obi a ɔyɛ ɔkɔtonko ɛna ɛsono tradition religion ko or tradition worship person ko omo so wo na tradition worshipers no omo de na ɛyɛ original ye nina obi adan ni okrobo ni o awusa ni o kusasi ni o pepe ni o ye wo ni tu wo eti obi na abetro book bi na akire osa wo de na wo ye ɛyɛ ye wo tokens and symbols our tradition worship man eno usua ebeboa so what must say na in all no unidi obi a onu nipa no onu onye malam so what must say onu so onye konfo onu onye pastor yo ye obi man is being ordained what must say ye den habama awo no onimu habamam so what na yakopon de ma ye say yemfa nsa ye ho yare wo sunsum ne wonam fam so na wotumi kosa nipa na wotumi boa wo hwe wo hyebrim so what's abrofo ne ba wo be hu se san no ma we ni na ya de a ebo African na African ehia omunya me no so they are supernatural people so what must say omu bibia ye divine ade ne ye magic esanso ye rare esanso ye powerful ejina ho but wo tipu ho oba no de white ghost bro say je na ji obi a obo credit card ebia na namusu dabi obi o ha wa be So at myself, motion at Tadia, now get the Hua, now get soften or walk ready cana. Say, no chance and what to say, Sana, Nano, and I'm the one.
And so him with your son of a kind because mostly no more say on the Comea Papa can be on why you feel what to tell you.
Who say, because they use naturally. Well, they hear from ghosts, they hear from this kind of spirits. Wow, and the spirit no put that to me say he hears direct or non spirit nature say wo men say men di way machiwade ani ntindi way ya nipa wo so wo machiwade wo ni pedua mpatam so bi also obi prekwa na obre na eno nya bia begu ne ho ana meboa obi wo ho a onwenwa so atuma say bibi ti say ningo adanfo o machiwade yemwa ukọ mountains a so atuma say ukọ mountains a mo omugu ho no kuyapemfo o machiwade kusie ana meboa mo ni kusie ti kusie wo behu bentima obi a wafudwon wo mu no kra na obo ntumi mimie because then won we no ntumi we no so atuma say awo kra kwa no mu chibia e che omu disie because e pu e be awo so atuma say jama kusie aye stubborn wo ho pa wa jikuru wo eti obi a ne chiwade e wo hunhum ene hunemu so atuma say eti se wo se obi kwa ye basa sometimes so na civilization ka so what say ye be a man and ye won't control you have to get both speak to the spirit. Okay. So what must say, sir, so that you command the spirit. Oh, spirit, so what jar one and yet or no natural self or shall know ye be man. Okay. So what must say, what natural self was channel. Because Nyankopon bomb ye from aboafo ye ni bofo brodi na lecturer say ye wo angel bi wo so da bi won say e physical and spiritual over physical excuse me to say president ye ministers to do what to back him and help him et ye from say help aboafo sa et wo ko so a sa krofo we ma Nyankopon abo mu na ye fie ni hu no hu ye no ye from aboafo sedali enya abofo no wade Onyankopon kuto no obo ade et ye fe no obo ade eti aboafo a omo no meboa ye e wo ye dwumam eti se wo be ye dwuma bi a na wo pese dwuma ni tumpo a enya bone you can human being cannot live nakedly. Okay. Christians are living nakedly.
Nature say aboafo no wo start adwuma na wutimi enye obi a onim form and also onim kwan a ye fa so na omo kasa na omo pa wadwuma ma be bo ma wadwuma na to
yeah o say ye ko na ye was spirit enenam ye wo eni na spirit wo ha. Okay. They are already here. Okay. Every being one. Okay. Some who be free ni go ba and now who be fracture say ba it is obisa say yes obisa and sanwa entakuro you know. Okay. So who enye bad enye nipa na corrupt who. Okay. Who ni bone. Okay. Enye nipa and the corrupt okay. So what must say yes principality so mu worry what is so much physical be be that so what be that there be a nipa and the cover be di bone and the be di bone a won mu Isaac obi na akọ and what obi a wote honhom na no and wakọ saman wo e bia ma honhom enti nipa na wote hon kechesu obi san say da asem if you atoma say nipa we I am say e wa ya wo den who to say soldier ni he goes in to intervene or to prevent or to guide soldier for omaduma no okay so atoma say enti say so da na who soldier ni a then just who said who at the one kra so atoma say you are being fully protected so atoma say enti say who no woni bone and woni papa woni obi a ye friend akwasi okọ ye man ni tumi ewrade man ni tumi say on sale sa tumi ni ye friend man eye woni pa no ene de wote sa honhom na no ene all corrupt honhom no ene wode honhom no eya de bone Me ba cha what ma say because
wo your to go offer home.
Obi a wote wona offer home no. E na offer home no. Den ti na offer home no. E kwan be so me fra home no. Home bra woni me shansa bra no aba. Oh, eden na nti na wo fra me. Oh, die nti a me fra se be pese. Me ya dwuma bi na adwuma me nti ase. Ba me pese oboa me hu. So emu nyansa hu a metumi di aye adwuma no. So what ma say? E bia me ba bi tu kwan anase e bia me ye bibi ana me ko ha na mo ba bia me ko no me hu ti hwemu ma me ko a eye anase ma me nko ana me ntina se me ba ye afuo bi enti se afuo na me ba ye no so me ya e ba ye hwe ma me se ne me kra ni a bi njai bibi ba to me a bi njai tuamu pomum na dwuma no bi ba bia dwuma enti pese wo a me na dwuma ni pagya na wo hu ban na nipa da sani enya hu o nipa da sani a metu maduro ansa me
okay na chese wo ga die bi a hu hu me be ye no enya wo mena na de pe ye ai de bi pa na ka kire na so ka kire na no de
oh I offer I azi mami kan kire yeti heni na eya honhom full of spirits they have their world
okay
nyankopon ma ne kwan se wo enu mpo nipa no wo salutu wo suro because wo na wo hye se onye bibi ma
okay
so wo anko da wo ye da wo ni mu wo na wo ko no akofẹ kosua ko bo obi pia e wo ho dam
okay
so na je yeah do that the baby omo ne die no ni say to help e do ko chance ko ku we ma me onye mo pa no onye ba tampa ni akorot na oba koku no eh na chese ye sha wo mo ye bo na nyo ma ya bi wo ne ye kan na se ko mo se wi ase dada ne pa na ko enu akoti ni suman na ni bre ene na ni bre ne pasami kumnya no pa bibi ni pase oye ye ntam bra bra fonte sa abro ni be ye bibi ni pase oye ye ntam wo be se o ye hu benti ono onye adwuma ono onye ehe enso pese ono so a oni sika wo bank enso pese sika begu ni dem
no to benti
na wo to benti ko san so to Rolls Royce go me ma ya adwuma e bi pa Mercedes ya be me to me to be 2020 and 2021 so said that is 2020 and 2021 me to me to be 2022 me to be 2016 na bia me to ma to bia de nyame ase me nuru ho abrabo no eya botre eye season by season se wo mre nuya empre wo ho paduma na ye so what ma say na wo se wo de wo pese wo ye show off no obi an se wo sika any weight wo kwa ho ne pa no wo kwa na wo ko frɛ na wo ba bi sa se den na wo pese me nye sika wa ye duma nipa no ote ayi na no soko ni papa pa ko beka bi sa se aduma be na wa ye
okay
ana me bo ana won se we ba ha no papa last time your friends
don
one ba ha o se metumi aboa but e massa sika me krampo no we too from me ye contractor enti me ka me huhum bi mesika ka me no de me ma me first enti e ma me won se wo pesika
nemo no be
moa emwa ni den bambo sani obi fa di boni ense waduma obi twi musim sika ne na ya haban so
na che papa me ba se de ya ka so obi timi hwi obi so obi timi pa waduma ma be hwi waduma mu sika bia wo to ade ba at the end of the day no na wo nya sika no be de sika na pa real say don't live naked. And Christianity natural say live naked and believe in Christ or what? Ya grown mo di bronino experience bronini ba antie what they assembly ba no hu say na nanom kasa eja wom ahodi wom tumi wom afenso woni na kasa ahemfo say ye tu agina ko bisa abrewa ana ye ko bisa ye honhom ansa ni obeka kire broni pasa de no broni hu say won tumi bibini okay
so what say e ba di pipa bibini ni wo tumi eti his words are there, his agenda is to tame you what must say to convince and brainwash you say wo fun ya anatade a wo shey satade we yare bi wo etu wo sha enye wo yitu wa wo se fuma me de kokesa ampasa yare wo ma wakeka wo ajana wa wo dia boss so eti wo Bible ye de betrike nipa ebibifu asom na wo broni abeka kire wo say wo de nye na de ye me ya say wo ka say Bible asempani akobo Nyankopon din what sabi people ye tip bonkoso omu sua de ye ka all the religion Christians are the limited omu ko omu sua wow Christians omu sua de omu ye more than all nakedly omu sua yeah omu ne nyuma. They don't know. They rely on their pastor and what? Jesus Christ. And in Jesus, I give you fake. I give you fake. You the mama to me. And you're weightless. So Bible to me. Oh, you fence here or court. Yes, I'm so fence. I will solid them. And fence here or parliament. Okay. Because I dare a year reality in your life. Not to me, woman. Obvious to say, because you go so. And someone really can say and draw. Hey, Nana Muso, now only mean deep or honor instantly and to other amounts here. And Nantina, who has some who can have food, Mrs. Sonta, and for your tea or Mungo chain of German Sam more than Parliament. One said ye, Naka, oh, Monsieur, a Brunino, and the Bayer, sir. No, over brainwash you. Also, the catcher say the first people going. Now they were intelligent people. Now, few then to me entire. Now, entire American. Well, don't say in Nippon, nana they were prominent. The year Duma, invented, the bed the medicine is Hanuman sacrifice now. No, yes, Hanuman now. We share black history. Well, we share black history. You see all these people. They were supernatural beings. Second people near the young coin. No, so much free on an animal. No, you jay. Omu say e kwala nto mu brainwash ka clear bi pa na na e solid. Okay. Oh, etinu se wono se ka woni mu amamra ka ya nyira. Yenni mu ya amamra nti e na ya yira. Sa kwa de se omi empanifo ni na kotie ya e so na ye nyini no. Na ye nyini we no mu brainwash no. Yeah, o se ye jaye ho e ma mata di so be bi a solid. Sabi missionaries by o se wo ye we now we suba ni yewe we me yewe e to mo bie school oh bie school no take only doctrine e tell and the eku Africa up to today e be mo suba o se wonu na Nyankopon abonasu or ye Pentecostal or ye charismatic so that we have church na san no we mu dina ye mu beat and no tactics for sure they know the Bible is not real they know say to me be any choi ni mu enye yame na choi Isaac who obey who so obi ba Ghana or ye ever say men sasaba mo any crofo obuman kumo da pejamo san crofo na ba Ghana no ye wonderful and now me wan me fakese ba Ghana o setu fo mo ni opoku ware mo sabi mi sori mo o ni na ba Ghana no mo hu a te se o mo Nyankopon yi o mo adenti na ye nsuo o mo ho asem ni obi kuro Peter and John any Paul ede onye obusuani onimo ade ba kwa ya Paul nye obusuani opani onimu Israel for they hate blacks yo say Israel kuro no eye bibi ti say tukotna okay the real Israel omuni ancient Egypt blacks Jewish they were blacks omoye blacks they say ya okay so enti abrofo and revolution any bibi ti say ntokwa won ye di nipa akọ bibi ti say refugees ye yi o ntokwa si ho slave ye yi o ti ye Jewish blacks ni na na eka white no mo ya ni nya o but wo kan the real Israelites omo ye blacks they are blacks They are blessed. They are there. Omuna ekrono eyomodea. Etibronidem making sure so hypo ancient Egypt that's Kameta. Ebeye bibi ti say nipa na de nani baba Africa. So they hype Europe, Egypt, European Egypt, the European Israelites.
Okay, we have the ancient Egypt.
Ancient Egypt.
And they want European.
European. This kind of Israelites. Some were Europe.
Yeah.
And Egypt and so were Africa. Nina Africa. But also want to share. Yeah, because Ufri Tio, Ufri Egypt, Eko Israel. I say Ufri ha, Eko Ashama. Ebe. Bebacha what must Etino, Obronini who said, so hypo Europa, Ebeha, a tobacco hype Israel. So, na amenipa asenta omani. Ebi ebu se o nyame nkrofo nkomo ye kokko omo nye tuntum ye yenka ho because wonim na ade biara o fa ye omo ewo mu museum ne ask everybody what you must say ewo British museum ewo France museum ni na free ancient Egypt Africa mo say black sade enye. Why are you putting all things in museums? Say a lipa emina meheno munye kusika. Oko British Museum ewo London and na me baby ewo London and UK oko ha museum nipa ade egu oni na nipa ekohwe ni na ye ebibifo kwa nuoma omaye aye wonderful aye bi maaye ye nana mo tititite ene ye di omagu eyima omohwe eti seka ekoye se konfuanochi stew yi ene nuoma konfuanochi be ye ene Ghana ha enipa bi mo Yakobon bo omo pejai na omo be ye nuoma kese de bu aye no sa krofon na kese ye di omo nuoma na koku museum Asante akobia ke daba bi na nipa twa ho hia na ko heteke na omo de omo ni eku enso ye twin hypo ye de because ye demonize ye de no. What must say? Suffer kitty bi. Only nyame adwen. To me kotna reviews so Kenya me adwen.
Ndem de koso ba.
Musuno ma say. Wo Kenya me adwen. Wo bi gunsa. Wo de no wo bi gunsa. Reverend asase. Se asase ya. Twedi ampon. Wo na ye tia wo so. Wo na wo ma ye duane. Wo na wo ma ye nsuo. Say ye ba humi mpa efiriwu asase enti ye diwni ye kai ye shraw enti ye wa mpa ba ye boy tie na mu ahonhom ensom nya duma mai se nipa edensa gogusu a obi a oyisabi oye pastor oye deacon koso a wonni huhum sem o se sa no mani na ya boson no ma. Do you understand a boson?
Do you understand that, boss?
Wow,
na chese papa nanka enka se wo de wuchire nka nanka wo ye adwuma nanka wotiminya omo obi a onim aboafo na pan na ko kire wo no omo wo de omo hye wo adwuma se a kenya dia ka ehunya se wo kogina so dan ile baba kutukutu kura
ko bisa China mo omo bi China mo dey no be yo. Because Chinese, they don't joke with their religion. They don't joke with their culture. They respect their culture. Or maybe or respect na wow, a walk on man, you know. So on by a D. Yeah, respect blast, and respect here, Bibia. Yeah, Cassampo, your home as you respected. Atadia, yes, a your home, you respected. So what must say, Ebiani, ye a your home as you respected. And never would be a piano, and I'm a one. But first, would be dear. Onyare ohu hwe yese kote ha ba bibira na fatu odi ana onua obenu awie a obedi abiane no wadi ayaresa what must God di aduro what must sa ha ba na obi pew ekun a ondan sa no ma weni na ye nyame boy se ya fa boy ye ho because oboni pase obobi mso omonsai oboni pa bi mso sa we ye wicked oboni pa bi mso wo ye ni papa fo omo ya kronfo omo ye ni papa fo nyame bo sa no ma na futu yi sɛ no bɔ moa na bi yɛ jata ebi yɛ sebo ebi yɛ monkeys ebi tumi edidi ɛfa ɔmankasa bia no ko ɔmo di saa na human world nso ɛte
okay
so na wo de lock ya wo yɛ ne sɛ Nyankopɔn ma unyansa wo de twɛn wo unyansa wo de twɛn na saa nyansa na wo de twɛn no ɛne nimdeɛ no ma wo nimdeɛ a wo de bɛyɛ research ɛwo sahaba mo de ka me ho a nipa bɔne ntumi nyame nipa bɔne ɔnyɛ honhom o ɔsɛ gensi honhom nipa bɔne nipa na yɛ bɛyifoɔ wotie nipa and we are satanic.
Okay.
And you believe me, catch that was said, Satan principality to go Rima or what? Wow. So a people why in your body or money in your self. So what myself, a nipper and a nipa, bonny nipa, and a year pay for a nipper and a man home, and all dear was so with Jesus Christ. And to a desire woman out to watch and so what be Tian and us who are fat, who could dinner. And so on, a papa you are. Sound come back channel sound dear at the papa. Now, one my there be. So, home bonny, a baby besisua, nay two bro. When the besisua, nay two bro. Say young Cassad, you obey your man ye. Now, someone you know, and yet. And you are not all blue because already are 4 years, 5 years, 10 years. Where would you have time for 10 years? Or what? Women, Sabi, President Kofo, I retire. What do you know? I do my young Pons woman. Why, what 10 was 7 mankind? Young Swiss. It is our born abroad, ya born Ghana, bro. Eti Ghana nkoso ya hu mi o omo bo omo kasa sa hu ye na na hu bi na aye bo ne omo bo ye me ni hu mi enu ye na na wawu ko me ni hu mi enu de na ye bisa ho na chese papa wo mi tie de wo kai a ma chese Africa de nka ya de to ye ni me ya nka ni is a crowd on say ya kasa ye jai ya twin we are not thinking again ya twin na ba ya religion book bi Bruni trauma ye Bible and ye na nanu po na tro yo enti ye bisa ho se enti ye na nanu asansa so sabi eni die asansa bra na omo ye ni bibia ye be sua omo bibia tena oman Israel enye real da bia me kwa enye real ena ye sua omo no ma eno ne ye ne ko oman ye se ye de ni mu nyame enne hwe oman Ewudie nipa bone sem kro ukọ bia just otua brai wow adem bone otia solid dem nothing refined bone ko wow because unim Yesu abewu ade yenkwa akwala keto sole a onim nsam wo twane na nabi wo twane maami bi no kasetia penny president is no kasetia no opposition leader no kasetia no so obi a we penny say because of Yesu onimti o free sell no nipa no kokọ ni fie kra mpanifu a wo ho nyinara onfo mo nya hwe because Yesu tinu na Yesu so ye fake ene wo ne wow ene wo ne because penny na wo si ho no o wa habamba ko a wo yan kwase ade a o be ko no pugu hu a wani be fira sisi ya but na wa pempenti onye because ne nanna ne on pese o be se so what was say tie me kasem bi a chiro papa bi o ena o se one ne ba eko omukru ti akwala ni kokuru moda na akwala ni ko na se o ferry say o village and you ono di oti ha no oti Accra na Accra fe gota o ko village a o gota se bi ni peja na na o mi go village mi fie mi kuro na mi hu se entontom kura ba oda what must me hu so obi eja ne nan enso Accra be gotem hwe ya gatem hwe ya plan ho hwe ya ngase area enso ko village a area bia eya ye se o matile a oho mu eni neatness agudie ewo communal labor so na akwala iko ya okoduro ha ne na nasi ho onchia no papa ne kan ogyia no ade ɛna nana nkasa sɔli so obichia akwala no man nsa so in the name of Jesus ɛna ogyia maame no because your brainwashing is a penny bi ɛwɔ fie obia yɛ bɛyifo so atuma sɛ ɛna village for so nyɛ onya obeku sisi a ebi wɔ hɔ saa obi wɔ hɔ a ɔmunduro ɔmodi naa no because of ɔmunya de papa ɛnfa yɛ di bɔne so ati so ɔbɛsɛw ɛno na akɔfa saa nneɛma wɔ nyinaa ba
sɛ wɔdi aduro no
saa ɔnya de pɛ bi afa nyɛ wɔtuma sɛ ɔnya ɛnti no osoro because wɔn na wɔyɛ abayifoɔ yɛka abayifo pa nyinaa white witch for ni nyinaa esuro by force ɔte ahaban ɔno wɔ tumi ɛsi yesu obi ɔte ahaban ɛwɔ tumi maka kyerɛ sɛ ahaban wɔ tumi say in the name of Jesus mintie meba physical ahaban bi wɔ a ɔyɛ tema wɔ pɔmpɔ bɔ wɔ edumi pae ne instantly pɔmpɔ bɔ wɔ wobɛtumi aka yesu di pɔmpɔ no bɛstɔpo dabi ɛnyɛ reality ɔmo boa yɛ ntorɔ so watuma se ɛnso yɛn fɛdidie ɛmma yɛ nananu anasa yɛn no na wɔnim wɔyɛ research onim saa no mani na so atwa yɛwɔ ebia wotumi yɛ fan ebia nkramra fididie ɔmo se bibi atwetan atwetan saa atwetan so ɛkyɛ sɛ ko obi enya saa bia ne bi wɔ fie na wotua ya wotwa na ni no wɛwɛ ho na de bia wo de ma wo ma wa wo tɔn ade ɛkyɛ sɛ wotumi ribi na obi wɔ hɔ no kuta honbɔne a ɛnyɛ honhom bi no kuta ɔyɛ no wɔn wadi honhom bɔne adwenbɔne ɛna wɔn honhom na ti mu ayɛ bɔne eti no no na honhom no de yɛ ade bɔne eti so obetwam no bɛ sɛ ɔtrai wa saa titwan no owi a ɔntumi nya wo da yare ɔntumi fɛ to so ɔbɛ sɛ ɔgye honhom a ɔntumi so atuma sɛ wɔn sɛ yɛn na Nyankopɔn bɔ wiase ɔma yɛ solution yɛyɛ se yɛn pɛ Yesu ɔbɛwu agye yɛ kuta Bible ɛne na tumi yɛ adeɛ nyina ɔboa sɔfo ti asɔde dɛm ɔno akyerɛ obi na mɛma ne collection ansan wɔ didi mebakyɛ wotie akyerɛ obi ɛna wosɛ ɔmo plane for any program bibi ti sɛ revival anyway na ɔmo boa presbytery ne akɔtena ɛpɛ sika bi ayɛ bibi na ɔmo ahyɛ da sɛ revival wɔ spirit akɔ fam nyame a yɛsom na ɛkyɛ sɛ de we need to revive look at it how can you revive the spirit in you bagɛ nanam no ɛyɛ natural wɔn wɔdwale eti wɔn need revival bia debi a wɔkɔ fam na ahoma kura kana ɛyɛ revival because debi ɛhyɛ ne den but yɛn no yɛ kɔ wrɔ eti debi we need to add ayɛ batra ewu eti debi ɛkyɛ sɛ ɔkɔ revival so na wɔn ani kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ na yɛ yɛn kɔfa yɛ deɛ ne yɛn nana no na Nyankopɔn twɛ bi apɔnde mu ayɛ no yɛn kɔfa ɛno yɛn fɛ yɛ adwuma sɛ yɛn kɔfa ɛno a Africa will not see peace. Africa will never see healing because unim. And America said, "Eti asomni na akosi se maame no, papa no, ne ba no. So the maame no sorry free na konwa no so na obechia no. No say, bo mi na wo ka say dan no, wo go school. Na ko bi depend na wo ani. Na bo free wo. If Daddy, I told you these people are evils, so I don't want to. No, say, oh, so am I evil? Nana ni bisan. Maybe you papa. Me kawa di amayama wa wu fo wani wu kan po se wu bi se ye kwa wu ko school bibi na ka bebo a won se mahwe mu afiri ho eye memi sunsum na bidi wachi o se come on I don't like your spirit what should you who spirit betu magene Yesu Kristo na bo me ho ba se na na bo bayi watra eti eja omo na omo ba ya akwele se na omo okọ ho no obi atra akala na watwe ne ho ɛdi ato bɔtɔ wutie na nso pɛ sɛ ohu sɛ akwalaa no yɛ stubborn akwalaa no stubbornness no so ɔbɛsan n'akyi a eti ɔtwe ne kra a ɔde hyɛ bɔtɔ na akwalaa no ɔba tɛma anaasɛ akra no nti ɔhɔ na akwalaa no ɛwɔ miti menan ɔde na miti menan meti o tumi su saa was o hu se ne ye de na kwa ha no matam na kwa ha enti one day na papa na nkasa kai se ade de me ka me maame na me frɛ me maame na mimisa se akole wa kaseti ya wa na no se wa ba so kaseti ya me pi me so na me bɔ mo ho bai unnim onka nkyerɛ wo ba no unnim onkwala ase ne mboa unnim ska wo be na mboa me na tia ko nyuma ɛna me srama na ho bɔ ne ba masne na mapata wo mabɔ afiri hɔ akole ya no atia no eti se akole ama aha na wa me pata me embu nkotodwe ampa na wo kyewa me mfa nkyɛ ne da ne tinu ontumi ɛna papa ni bam ne ba no ode de koe maami ko no se wo na aka tell say me ye ban fo kuta mbɔ ni ɔkɔ so so ni ye na Yesu ntuma nti Yesu ni tumi tena wa aluf se bibi yaw ɛni ɛni Yesu no onye Yesu na ne bisa no o se me tumi mpoketu obi na me aba na bi ato so na wo si a wo se wo nim Yesu din no ɛntumi ankyɛ Yesu ntuma ankyɛ wo dia nyame na ana Yesu na wo di na chi no ɛne heyie na sesa Yesu no na ma wani ma wani ntina wani nton na twa kasa no wadakrama yie wakatren se me na me ye wo sa wo papa woni se me tia aban me ni papa me na me boa no bibia no mo nka wo papa won kan kyerɛ wo papa nya problem wo aduma mu a me na me kosovo ma no oba na ma kyerɛ na kwan kyerɛ na waye na asovo obi ehu na onkai bi eye me na me ye ma papa wo papa nka kyerɛ wo odi ma tem na ma ye osa o na ne fa dan chia no ko pe eyi bi oba no odi sena we say asa wow se o
when you actually prophet na suffer na Yesu Jesus
prophet to me nye tie prophet bia ko high to me no dey aduma me Ghana ha ye ni prophet ye ni pastor egumu yo wona wo se wo ye na amanfo hu se o me dia me ko ha me na me ye me na me Kenya oboa o ko ye corrupt o ko na di nipa ko owuo because how nipa ni bi mu wo mu gidie no ko hu a oni omuhunu won se ode aye bi ti se patabu won se odi pata wa ko atro di fontem so yes Ghana asofo bi na ase o men edifo bi na ase o men ana ase ni nipa ni na ko astray and also onim Jesus na ni Jesus ni so to me nche ye obi kura so obeba mpa ya ma economy what be that ye ni nyame ama ya pin wa ma ye nyansa se ye nya duma aduma mu China aduma mu faso China we ye Buddhist ni atumi aba 25 years abepie duma ama wo Kristo ni di boy tuawoka han ni nyame ne so ask yourself
okay ask yourself papa you fancy every night in fact you come running just 1 minute advice to your followers Misro solid paka men di timpanifu atem afwan to tumpanifu ani men kase wa mu tons nimpo eye sabi eye kwasiasam so ko papa nim na wo pet school fees wo ko gina herebe daddy herebe obedwe so your bodamfo will never get serious with you and then you obuompo your quiet de bompaye ye de chira saf Yehowa and hu aboafo ye nimnti and ya toba ha na edwum so e won twetwede mesramo nyankopon abo obia fata e wo nyankopon tumi ye ni heaven bi ekom ye heaven ne Ghana mumra ye nsum ye Ghana te se Dubai ye Ghana te se Germany na ye nso ye fa wo ye ho na ye de bia ye be ko se ye threat si ye ko di bibi obi ko Germany ma ko Germany no de ko wa no anye ho yi a won se bi wan po no yi aimless bro ni wo sa wo yi aimless obi ade efie nye wo dia na ko gina nim di twa picture na je se wan ka se wo yi aimless
mesrɛw sɛ yɛwo deɛ wontwa no wontaa mpɔ mpɛ sɛ wode bɛtwa picture anaa mebo anaa ɛyɛ wawo deɛ because wokurom baabiaa ɛɛfɛ anaa mebo anaa but wokɔ buroni kurom a wokɔtwa picture ɛwɔ baabi ɛɛfɛ buroni nso ba a ɔpɛ kurase because wɔhu bi da enti wɔbɛhwɛ bibi ɛfrɛ no akurase wɔ Africa ɛwɔ deɛ atwa picture de akɔkyerɛ ne yɛhu sɛ waba Africa because ɔno wabɔ bra na ɔhu danfo da ɔhu kwanfo da ɔhu bibifo da mesrɛ wo momna yɛnsɔle ɛmfiri yɛn ndam ɛne brainwash yɛnyi ntomdwene na yɛnkasa yɛnhu yɛnkasa yɛabrabɔ a yɛbɔ medamasi
papa say that was it that Ghana TV afina and then the first time I hear subscribe na like and share my and then nana one on that then or pay chinchin camera my FC ya e bi ma dis no ko we brema mama big mama nyame che that Ghana one the manager of that Ghana TV Richia Sabre Junior Richia Junior about who's ne one who's who nyame sham na mo ye mo sua de na that Ghana TV de ye di ya te bana na boso me di ya de IT ye de mo esi ha de